My name is Fredrik and I'm a blogger here at Fredriks Fika in Sweden, and today I'm gonna show you how to make traditional Swedish saffron buns, or as we say, lussekatter. We have Lucia the 13th of December, and that is the one day a year that I eat sweet buns for breakfast, and I always eat lussekatter. The recipe for this dough is pretty much the same as cinnamon rolls that you can find right here. I will do this recipe in grams because most scales can do both ounces and grams. The full recipe you find in the description down below. Grind 1 gram of saffron with a teaspoon of sugar to get all the flavors out of the saffron. Warm the milk to 37 degrees Celsius or 98 degrees Fahrenheit and add the saffron. I'm using 50 grams of fresh yeast, or you can use 14 grams of dry yeast. Crumble the yeast in a large mixing bowl and add the milk. Then add the rest of the ingredients and work the dough for 10 minutes. One trick is when you touch the dough, it should not stick to your fingers, then it's perfect. Now the dough is ready. Cover the bowl and let it rise for 30 minutes. The dough is ready, and now I'm going to show you how to make a traditional Swedish lussekatt. Cover the buns and let it rise for 30 minutes. Set the oven to 220 degrees Celsius or 430 degrees Fahrenheit. Brush the buns with egg wash and put in some raisins and bake in the middle of the oven for 6 to 8 minutes. Swedish saffron buns. It really smells like Christmas right now. This is a really traditional way to making them, and you can also bake them without the egg wash, and after you bake them you brush them with butter and dip in sugar. That is so good. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you want more Swedish fika, they will follow after this video. Let's have a taste. They're so good.